Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at shortcut keys for your file menu. This will be for TruCUT Works. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on shortcut keys, and today we'll be looking at the file menu. So now there's not too many items within your file menu, so we've already looked at accessing all of these ones. But now the nice thing about the shortcut keys that comes within these menus is you don't actually have to navigate through them. So let's say start with the first one. If we want to make a new document, if we want to go through our main menu, we'll go Alt F, and then it's already on N, or you'll normally press N. Then it'll ask you, okay, if you want to save, and then it'll start a new one. I'm just going to say cancel for now. Now, even quicker way to do that is if you look here within the menu, we've got these, sorry, let me zoom for you guys. These shortcut keys here on the right of the words. Like I say, not everything has it, as you can see there, only the top ones in this case. So the shortcut for new is just simply Control N. So if I press Control N on my keyboard, it will ask me the same thing. So if I want to save, and then it will make a new file. Now under the file menu here, as you can see, we have a few key ones. So we've got new, we've got open, which is Control O, we've got save, Control S, which is always a good one to practice using, import and export. Now a lot of programs will get for save as well, but this program does not come with it. But yeah, that is it on the shortcut keys for the file menu. Like I say, it's quite handy learning these, as it will save you a lot of time. Otherwise, we have to head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.